y'all, if y'all like what y'all see on the screen, definitely check out my Etsy shop. It's linked down below in the description box, or you can search it by searching Reed's Remedy on Etsy. This is your one-stop self-care shop. Right now I have one listing, but there's more to come soon, and I'll be offering all types of things that you need to care for yourself. So go ahead and check it out, and thanks. So I got this from the Dollar Tree, this little pouch, this lip balm, this pouch, the Advil, the hand sanitizer, then everything else I already had at home or purchased elsewhere, and I'm just throwing it in here. So basically what I'm putting in the kit is I got this little makeup pouch. I have some little individual honey pot wipes, a pair of underwear, 2 menstrual discs, 3 panty liners, some Advil, 2 pads. This is a tampon, there we go, moisturizer, hand sanitizer, and I think that's it. I got everything, yeah, and a lip balm. And that's what's going in the pouch. So I'm going to put everything together, let y'all watch me, and then let y'all see how they look. I hope you all enjoyed this video. As you can see, it's super easy to make an emergency period kit. This is great if you're in school and you need to throw it in your locker. You can keep this in your car. You could just keep this in your purse if like you're one of those people and you're like, damn, I don't ever know when my period's coming. Keep this in your purse. I mean, you have everything you need. And also, let me know if you try this, or if you have an emergency period kit already and you customize it a little bit different. Maybe give me some ideas on something else I can put in here, something else that's needed. The only other thing that I thought that might be needed would be like a snack. I put like some nuts or something in here, but obviously it's too small. Because I'm thinking like, okay, if I put some nuts in here, then like if I need to take medicine, at least I have food in there as well. But it's kind of too small. But look how cute that is. I'm actually going to throw this in my car, and I may take it with me on my solo trip. I don't know. Babe will probably put it in the car. I don't know. Yeah. I'll see you guys in the next upload.